Hey, I'm Tyler, and today we're installing door speakers on my 2001 Tundra access cab. Let's get started. Front door speakers and these little clips. I've got the Crutchfield instructions pulled up on my computer, and we're just going to start going. So first step here, disconnect the positive lead of the battery. So there's two panels. There's one right here that I've already popped. Got this tool. Just going to pop this one out. Just like that. We've got two Phillips head screws right in here. We've got two panels behind the door pull here. Flathead screwdriver and another pry panel. Perfect. I had to use something a little skinnier to get under that second panel, but we got it. Torx 30-bit to get to these. There's another Phillips screw right here in the door release trim, door handle. We're prying up on top of the door lock here to get this to pull back, and then below it. And now this is going to pull out, just like that. This kind of just holding the door panel open. I'm going around here and just popping out these pins all along the door here. Just going all along the door here. Oh, looks like we lost one. That'll have to go back in. Should be able to just hear them kind of pop. There's supposedly 9 of these pins, and they're all falling out, but they should go back in the door panel. There. I think that's it. Now we're gonna. So on these wiring harnesses, there's 4 of them. Here's a close-up of this wiring harness. Just press down and it pulls out, and you can see there's 4 of them. 3 right here, and then 1 right at the end of the panel over there. To get this door speaker out, we've got 4 Phillips head screws. My speaker just needs a little bit of prying action, and then it's out. So we're going to take this speaker and we're going to cut the wires as close as we possibly can to these leads right here. So let's get some wire trimmers and do that. So we're going to make our cuts here. Oh, it's magnetic, so just a little bit tricky. And that's a pretty good cut. Now we'll just strip these and get ready to put quick clips on them. So if we look at the speaker I got provided from Kicker, you'll notice that this red tab is the larger one and this black one's the smaller one. The black one's going to get a small quick connector, the red wire is going to get the larger size quick connector. Pull apart the wire a little bit and then strip it. Toss this quick connector on. Perfect. And these are clamped nice and tight. That wire's really not going anywhere. With that all set, we're going to plug in the speaker here. Like so. The fitment on these screws to the door speaker isn't perfect, so I'm using this as a little bit of a washer just to give that screw some more surface area. So here it is. We're just all good there. And this speaker is working. I can hear it. This is awesome. So we're good to go. So right here, we just slide these pins. Take this head right here. Slide it back in these gaps. And we're good to go. Put her back in. I also had a speaker. I also had a clip get stuck in here. That's easy to solve. You just take this, get behind it, and they'll pop right out.